In this video, I will show you how to embed TikTok video on Twitter. First, you need to open up your Twitter application. Then, when you get up into that site and you join up into an interesting video on your site in which you're going to simply get up and take over that video to show you how it looks like to embed that video. But you need to open up firstly the TikTok site, right here. And then when you join up into that video which is related into your interest, for example this one, go on the share button, go download the video, or simplify, get that set up which is for that session. Go for save video, and when you get up there and when you wait to download the video session from here, but also you can simply get back here and go for get that application for Twitter. Go for Twitter right here on the last session. As you can see, share it right there without any problems. And from here, as you can see, it has got that familiar site. Now if you take over that selection, you can simply get back, or you can tweet it right now, or you can simply save the tweet by a draft and go save. And from now, if you get back on that site, go to your Twitter and simplify. If you try to add something, and if you go on drafts, you're gonna find out this setup. It is right here, and from now you can delete the side section, but the video will be like this one, and simply you can get the video from the gallery. Add it right here. You can select the length of the video which is the most interesting for you, and you're gonna go with tweet, and that is, guys,